Hello friends, how is it going on? I am sure you are doing well. Bem-vindo. Welcome to this lesson. Today we are going to learn to say something we are doing in continuous action. In simple words, we are learning to say I am working, I am doing, I am eating, and so on. Let's see these three different continuous actions. In picture number 1, él está a jugar. That means he is playing. In picture number 2, ela está a escrever. That means she is writing. And in picture number 3, o gato está a dormir. That means the cat is sleeping. For now, just notice the pattern of using the verb star followed by a, that means a in English, and then the action verb. For example, in él está a jugar, está is a form of star verb and it followed by a and then the action verb jugar. In picture 2, está a escrever. In picture 3, está a dormir. If you have noticed, I have used three different types of verbs. In first, jugar, that is AR verb, means verbs ending with AR. In picture 2, escrever, ER verb, and in number 3, dormir, IR verb. Here is the bonus for you. There are mainly four types of verbs in Portuguese. One ending with AR, for example, jogar, to play. Another ending with ER, for example, escrever, to write. Another ending with IR, for example, dormir, to sleep. And last one is irregular verb, for example, ter. Let me come to the point. Look at three more complete sentences. Just focus on the green letter here. Como é que está a fazer? How are you doing? O que estás a fazer agora? What are you doing now? Estou a gravar o meu vídeo para vocês. I am recording my video for you. Here you see the same pattern, right? Está a fazer when I use você for you. Estás a fazer when I use tu for you. And estou a gravar. Now let's see the question and try to answer it. Eles dash a jogar futebol. Options are são, está, estão, estou. No worries, if you are a beginner and need help answering, guess any option as your instinct says. You answered? That's cool. The answer is estão. Eles estão a jogar futebol. Why? Why is our best teacher, right? Let me answer this why for you. When we are talking about continuous action, that means what we are doing at the moment, we use star verb. Ser and star verbs are the main Portuguese verbs that translate to be verb in English. I have a complete video lesson in star and ser verbs. You can learn from that video after this lesson or go there from the link here, watch it and come back. We only need the star verb right now. Let's see the conjugation with the star verb. Eu estou, I am. Tu estás, you are. Você está, you are. Ela está, he or she is. Elas, vocês estão, they are or you all are. Nós estamos, we are. To describe the continuous action, we use the correct form of the star verb with its subject, and then we have a after it, and then the action verb. Let's see some examples and it will make you more clear. If I say eles jogam futebol, that is they play football, here we only use the action verb jogar, and with eles it is jogam. The statement says that they play football. This is their regular activity, but it does not tell at the moment if they are playing or not. If I say eles estão a jogar futebol, this statement tells that they are playing football at the moment. Here in this particular statement, eles estão a jogar futebol, estar is an auxiliary verb, and if we put a immediate after this and then the action verb jogar, it tells us about the continuous action that they are doing right now. In this case, they are playing. Before I go for more examples, I have an essential note here for you. There is another way to say continuous action, which is called present participle. It is like a continuous form of the verb. Here you can see three different types of verbs as an example. Trabalhar, to work, is AR verb. Vender, to sell, is ER verb. And abrir, to open, is IR verb. Eu trabalhando, it's same as eu estou a trabalhar. Eu vendendo, it's same as eu estou a vender. Eu abrindo, it's same as eu estou a abrir. But the important thing is that in Portugal, it is very common to use eu estou a trabalhar, but you may listen sometime eu trabalhando also. And in Brazil, eu trabalhando is more common. And the second note is that we cannot use this pattern to talk about future. That means this pattern works only for the current action. If we have to say he is playing tomorrow, we cannot say ele está a jogar amanhã. Instead, we have to use the simple present form with amanhã. Ele joga amanhã. He is going to play tomorrow or he will play tomorrow. Finally, let's see some examples. Fazer, to do. Eu faço o meu trabalho. I do my work. Estou a fazer o meu trabalho. I am doing my work. Cantar, to sing. Eu canto. I sing. Estou a cantar. I am singing. Comprar, to buy. This is the AR verb. Ele compra frutas. He buys fruits. Ele está a comprar frutas. He is buying fruits. Que fruta é que ele está a comprar? What fruit is he buying? We can make a question as well, right? Another example, beber, to drink. This is ER verb. Eu bebo água. I drink water. Eu estou a beber água. I am drinking water. O que estás a beber? What are you drinking? Abrir, to open. This is the IR verb, right? Eu abro a porta. I open the door. Estou a abrir a porta. I am opening the door. O que estás a abrir? What are you opening? I hope you have a very good insight on expressing the current continuous activity. It is a very simple star verb followed by a and then the action verb. Please write some continuous action sentences in the comment box. Sharing is caring. Thank you very much for your time. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please comment, like and share. If you have not subscribed yet, subscribe to us. I know you remember to press the bell icon.